congratulations, girl. Finally, the big day has come for Amahle and Siyambona ugele ukuthi muhle unjani. And you know what? Watching this was really, really a nice and entertaining journey to watch because we know where everything is coming from to where it is today. And I am still asking myself, guys, I'm still shocked as everybody else. Like, hi bo, kanjani? Sifike kanjani lana? It's like, the world has its own ways to just let yourself out. Anyway, welcome to the Visionaries Fan, and thank you for tuning in, joining in. It's always about the pleasure to take the things that you love, what we bring, just see family, entertainment. And yeah, more and more positive. Well, I'm also really the family from the tradition is out and was printed in a well complete with the negotiations, they were nothing. And so, as you know, now culture is and people are going to present you as that happened. And they came and they presented the guy, and you can say they did justice. Well, they find out it was a nice day, not necessarily a nice day, the process and the that was so unpredictable. It was supposed to a cold renewal, but eventually the dancing, the really, truly becoming messes. So, do you guys actually believe the routine? Or Mabilena is basically taking the crown for the first one? Ooh, that's how you say. Halala, Mabilela, halala. Well, some can blame Mabilela, while some can blame the Milena birds. Let's just, I guess, another day that's today is just a celebration, or that day is just a celebration because I don't really I think again, abantu kukamabiyela bayasho ukuthi hhayi sizile lana sizotshela ukuthi phela sithi baba nangumuntu esibonile imbali la ekhaya sizotshela ukuthi sithathe indodakazi yenu. Oh dears. Oh, bayababuza ukuthi hayi bo niyazi yini ukuthi le flower leli esenikusiphothile la ekhaya ngabe niyalazi yini? Hayi, abo-brothers ngathi abekho sure ukuthi hayi baze ngani. But phela bathenjiwe angithi, like everyone is trusting them, like the husband is trusting them. So we'll see. I am trusting my men to know they got me. So they asked a very difficult question where one woman they are starting to sweat out because they're not really sure. Would say, do we know? Do we not know? Oh, the border negotiations are always funny because the truth is that usually the person who knows the partner is the boyfriend or soon to be the husband. So anybody else, extended families, they don't really know. So if they ask this question, which do you know the person you're here for? It's kind of like, how are we gonna know this? We're not always with this person, or we don't see this person. They've probably seen the person even once, or not really at all, but now they've just been sent because it's normally them uncles, their and who are living their lives with their wives. So yeah, they won't really know much. So they asked that question, and this is a very important question during the Magola negotiations. Where I was with well, do you guys know the person you're here for? I Yeah, these guys are kind of like shaking up their saying, yes, we do know the person we are here for. But there is a big but there, guys, which I kind of find it funny. Is if we make a mistake, please don't be so hard on us. Siyacelela sithi nje siyacela Nkosi yami, siyacela bandla. Baba sithi makuwukuthi senze iphutha simazi noma sesivumile sathi siyamazi. Kodwa-ke masenze iphutha siyacela bandla ukuthi ningabe nisasishaya kangako. Sesishayekile siphelile. Because Amahla's family was really a bit straight, which was a good thing. You don't just give away your daughter. So you gotta have that mental thing. You gotta tighten up or toughen up. Ube indoda yini. have that, so they had that, and you see them with high bayajuluka noma bengajuluki kangako, but yeah, kukhona ukujuluka okukhona lana. So yeah, they were asked basho ukuthi if we don't know, siyazicelela bena siyazikhalela, but please sicela ukuthi nje ungakwenzi kube nzima kuthina ma-singers. Bacelwa-ke ukuthi, okay, can the ladies come out from the other room? As we know, when the Lobola negotiations are taking part, the ladies will be on the other side of the room because they're not supposed to really see or hear what's happening on the other side. It's only men there. So they were asked, because, hi, my ladies, can you now come out? Because our brothers, do they know who they're here for? And they're saying, yes, we do know who we're here for. So they're asked, okay, then, now that you have confirmed, can we let the ladies come out so that you can decide? But the tricky thing is that usually abantu bavele beze bonke bembathiwe, like blankets all covered up. Now imagine you are not sure who the person is, and then bafike bonke bakhaviwe, uzothini mntakababa? What are you really gonna say? But yeah, the ladies came out, three of them, because yeah, usually the minimum is two, three of them, so to make it easy. But it's a nice game, it's not supposed to be that, personal or that it's not something that's serious, to be honest. It's just a nice game. Yogo Sugar say, yeah, they need to keep paying. Kumele bakhipha emptying the pockets. That's what they are here for, isn't it? It's just emptying the pockets. It's just, I am wondering how Tirelo is just going through seeing all of this. Hey, that's all. Anyway, yeah, yep. Bayafika-ke phakathi, they get inside, they kneel down, they cover themselves. Remember, they are not supposed to show their faces. Zulu culture or Zulu tradition is just a bit, typical and really, yeah, a little bit extra, to be honest. So now they're saying, no, we think it's the one in the middle because they need to choose now, isn't it? When the bakhethe, guys, bayasho ukuthi siyacabanga ukuthi phakathi nendawo, even if like bebengamazi kakhulu, even if bebengamazi kakhulu, now with this situation, it's just even worse for them to even notify her or see her, because bonke ke bakhavile asibone-ke ukuthi ubani lo mphakathi nendawo kahle kahle. Oh, boom, 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 right in their faces. It's not the right lady. Oh my word. So basically, umuntu abamkhethile lo phathi nendawo, there's nowhere to view amahle, guys. So abazi ukuthi baze nayo. Guys, have you ever been in that situation also where you have global negotiations day, yeah, where it's your day, and then bayafika now abakhongi, and like during this phase, like when now this has to be a lot of girls coming in, and then you cover themselves, you guys cover yourself, and then they don't pick you. If you have been, how did you feel like abakhongi bakho not picking the right person? Did you feel that it's just a game? Did you feel some type of a way? How did you feel, honestly? Because this is kind of like, why? Why are you picking the wrong person? It's me. Or do you want to have to get married to him? Like, but yeah, just let me know, how did you guys take it, or how did you take it when if it happened to you, and if not, if probably you came through this phase as well, and then they picked the right person, they picked you. How did that make you feel as well? Different energies, different feelings. But yeah, they picked the wrong person. And you know what happens in the Zulu culture? You pick the wrong person, you pay more, you saula more, and that's just it. So that's funny, guys. But yes, guys.